does it work?
To understand these questions, we have to understand two other important aspects of aging and how this PRP or the platelets contribute to the rejuvenation, improving the look in the cosmetic facial medicine. Let's see what's happening during aging. Our skin in general losing the volume, losing the collagens, elastin and the ground substance in the skin. So overall skin lose its volume or its sex, and the texture and the tone of the skin is coming down. Another aspect, the general pigmentations, photo damage of the skin is getting more and more with age. Then the fine lines and the wrinkles around your eyes, the forehead, around the nose, around the mouth, around the jawline, neck, all develops. Hair beginning to thin down. You lose hair with your aging. On the other hand, these platelets, we all know this is the main component in arresting your blood or clotting system. Apart from that, this is the molecule, cells in your blood or in your body initiate any reparative procedure. For if your body has any damage, it needs a repair procedure. This is the cells initiate this procedure. So we now understand this procedure can be included in the cosmetic procedure to improve the skin quality, appearance, texture, and finally improve your appearance, the way you look in the cosmetic medicine.
Doctor, now we know PRP has been used in many areas, but in cosmetic practice, what are the main uses of PRP?
Usage of PRP in the cosmetic medicines are many. One, it's increase the general tone and texture of the skin, face or any part of the body. Number two, it reduces the fine wrinkles around the face, mainly the forehead, glabella, around the eye and around the mouth. Three, it's improve the darkness appear around the eye, in particularly the ladies. That we call under eye darkness. So under eye darkness improved by PRP injection. Four, it's reduced or eliminate the shallow areas in the face, mainly under the eye, side of the nose and under the lip. Number five, the general sucking down of the face due to the volume loss will be restored with PRP. So the face will get a little bit of lift, particularly in this region. How? The PRP or the platelet will induce new formation of collagen, elastin. A situation like acne scar and the stretch marks in the body could be improved with the usage of PRP. And finally, the hair loss. We all lose hair when we age. The hair loss and hair thinning happening with the aging. So injecting PRP or platelet in the scalp will improve the hair loss and improve the hair thickness.
Now, doctor, tell us how you practically use PRP or how you make this product from blood.
Very simple. You all must have given blood for your normal blood test. We take little more than that from the arm. So the first we take blood from the arm, then we use a machine called centrifuger to separate the plasma from the cells. Plasma is the water aspect of the blood. So we take plasma with platelets separated and fill that into the tiny syringes with tiny needles. These needles are very tiny, like insulin needle, which is difficult sometimes for you to see with your naked eye. Such a tiny needles. So using these needles and the syringe, we inject the PRP, which consists of your own platelet, into the skin, face, neck, upper chest, hands, or any part of your body.
How long does it take to see the results after PRP?
This is very natural, biological or physiological process. So once we inject the PRP into your body, it goes into your body and stimulate the what we call mother cells to start all the regenerative process, like producing collagen, producing elastin and producing ground substance. So you can understand this will take some time. So to answer to your question, I would say it will take around 2-3 months to know the beginning of the changes in your body, and it will go up to 10-12 months. So 3 to 4 months to know the change in your body, but the highest improvement you will know at the end of 9, 10, 11 months.
Doctor, now the most important question, what are the risks or the complications associated with this treatment?
There are no serious risk or complication in this treatment. As you know, this is your own product, platelet from your own blood, your body, which is giving no serious risk or complication. However, due to the injections, you can have a little bit of discomfort, a little bit of bruising, a little bit of swelling in the areas where the injection is being done, and which resolve or disappear very quickly in 1 or 2 days.
Now doctor, many men and women are suffering from some kind of a hair loss and they are very concerned about this issue, this matter. Now, you also mentioned about PRP in treating hair loss or hair growth. So tell us, how does PRP help in hair restoration?
So basically, everybody loses hair throughout their life. But when you are younger, the lost amount and the new hair coming in is almost equal. So we don't see as a hair loss. With the aging, the new coming hair, buds, hair growth is getting down due to various reasons. So the PRP, the platelets getting into the body, stimulate the mother cells to give more hair buds, hair follicles. So that's how it's helped to control the hair loss or to give some more hair. So if I summarize that, injecting PRP into your scalp head will reduce the hair loss significantly. Second, will increase the thickness of your hair. Third, improve the color of the hair. And the fourth, it will give some new hair.
Now we know that you've been in this field of cosmetic medicine for many years. So as an expert, what is your overall opinion about PRP therapy in facial rejuvenation?
I personally feel this PRP treatment is a wonderful tool in the cosmetic medicine. And using somebody's own blood, own platelet, to give them a better looks or attractive looks or younger looks in a short period of time. And I consider this as a gift given to us in this cosmetic medical practice in the recent time.
Now doctor, I know that you are using a lot of other treatments for skin rejuvenation like laser treatments, peeling, Botox and fillers. So how do you rate or how do you see PRP as compared to the other treatments in skin rejuvenation?
We all know the aging has so many reasons or so many components to contribute. Similarly, the treatments, tools, either laser, chemical peel, Botox, fillers, they all have their own unique contribution to tackle this aging process, to give you a better look or a more attractive face or skin. So I could say each has their own contribution which cannot be replaced by other treatment. So like Botox, fillers, laser, chemical peel, PRP is another tool come recently, but it looks very wonderful with few or no complications, giving us better results. So if we put everything together, we will give better results to somebody's look.
I hope you got a good idea about PRP therapy and how it is used and the benefits of PRP therapy. Doctor, thank you very much for